The 2016 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, keyless entry, DVD system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.